Do you ever feel like you want to get serious about crypto, but instead of making progress, you just keep watching videos, scrolling posts, and keep telling yourself that you'll start when you have a better understanding? That's one of the biggest traps that beginners fall into because the truth is, waiting feels safe, but waiting too long can actually keep you stuck while the people who take simple action start building momentum. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto cut through all the hype and learn how to build real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and building a conviction based portfolio. After going through my hard learned lessons in this market, I decided to do things differently with discipline, clarity, and long term purpose. Now I'm building wealth the right way in crypto, and I'm teaching others to do the same along in my journey, not by chasing hype, but by stewarding opportunity. If you're here to build something real and not just gamble, you're in the right place. Today, I want to talk to the person who knows crypto matters, who feels like their opportunity is here, but keeps doing nothing because they feel like they're behind, overwhelmed, or unsure what to do. If that's you, I want to encourage you right away. You don't need to know everything in order to start moving forward. In fact, that very mindset is usually what keeps holding us back. So today I'm going to show you how to break out of that cycle and how to start actually really making progress, even if you're new and still trying to figure it all out. Now, if you want clarity instead of confusion in this crypto market, make sure you start with my free crypto checklist for beginners. You can grab that checklist at cryptocolin.com or use the link down below in the description. Now let's get started, and let's start with the first thing. Number one, why so many beginners stay stuck. Analysis paralysis. Feels productive, but it isn't. Because this is a real issue for many people. Most beginners, they're not stuck because they're lazy. They're stuck because they're overwhelmed, consuming too much information. One person says, buy Bitcoin only. Another says altcoins is where the gains are all at. Another says wait for the crash. Another says the bull run's already started. Then someone else is talking about DeFi, staking, wallets, yield farming, narratives, charts, meme coins, on-chain data. And then before too long, your brain is just overwhelmed, overloaded. So what do? Nothing. And the crazy part is, research feels like progress. Watching content feels like progress. Taking notes feels like progress. Listening to influencers feels like progress. But none of that changes your life, and it never turns into action. That's what analysis paralysis is. And if you're not careful, days go on, months go on, years go on. Time just keeps on moving forward, but you. I've seen this happen to so many beginners. Heck, I fall into the analysis or the real executive paralysis, especially one with being somebody with ADHD. Man, it's something that I experience hardcore. So let me tell you, what you need is not total certainty. What you need is a simple plan that helps you move wisely. That's a big difference. You don't need to become an expert before you begin. Let's talk about this. You don't need to know everything to get started. You need a safe first step. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts I want beginners to understand. You don't need to master crypto before entering crypto. Think about almost anything in life. You didn't learn to drive by reading 400 hours of theory before ever touching the wheel. You didn't learn fitness by studying and reading books on fitness for 6 months before you ever entered the gym or did some sort of workout. You learn by doing, carefully, gradually, and by intentionally doing it. Crypto works the same way. Now, obviously, I'm not saying just jump into any random coin out there or ape into any hype or throw thousands of dollars into something you don't understand. That's not wisdom. What I'm saying is this: you can start small while you learn, not by knowing everything in advance, but by taking a few low risk actions and learning through the process. For example, a beginner can start by learning and setting up a wallet and an exchange properly, learning the difference between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins out there, understanding what self-custody means, starting a simple, tiny DCA strategy, tracking your emotions and your decisions, watching how the market moves week by week. That kind of action builds real world understanding. And that kind of understanding is much more valuable than endless passive consuming. Because once you actually start interacting with the process, things start to click. You start noticing your emotions. You start to notice when fear makes you hesitate. You notice when hype makes you want to chase those green candles. You notice how easier it is to stay calm when you have a position size that is smaller and less risk. That's how maturity grows in crypto, not by catching the perfect trade, but with structured, repeatable, beginner safe action. And honestly, this is where a lot of people lose years. They think that their first step is to be big, hit that home run. No, your first step just needs to be real, because small, wise steps beat the perfect plan every time. Beats that perfect plan that never gets used. So what actually builds results is action plus reflection plus strategy. Let me simplify this the best I can. Results in crypto are not built by hype. They're not built by guessing. And they're definitely not built by waiting around until you feel like some kind of expert. What actually builds results is this combination: action plus reflection plus strategy. Let's break this down. Number one, action. You need movement. And that might mean starting your first small DCA, dollar cost averaging. Finally, opening that account that you've been putting off so long. Organizing your learning. Choosing 1, 2, or 3 assets to be studying and not 50. Making your first plan instead of endlessly consuming information. Without action, there is no momentum. Number 2, reflection. This is where growth happens. After you take action, you ask, what did I learn? What confused me? What emotions came up? Did I feel fear? Did I want instant results? Did I realize that I need a better framework? Reflection turns random action into useful learning. This is why so many people just end up repeating their mistakes. They act emotionally and never slow down and reflect on what happened. So they keep reacting instead of improving. And number 3, strategy. Action without strategy just becomes chaos. This is why beginners need a simple system, not some overcomplicated trader's mindset, not 25 indicators, not trying to time every move perfectly, just a basic strategy. For example, knowing what you're buying, know why you're buying it, know how much you're willing to invest, know your time horizon, know that your early goal is learning and positioning, not getting rich next week. That kind of structure builds peace. And when you start combining action, reflection, and strategy together, you start changing. You become less emotional. You become more clear. You start seeing crypto as a long-term skill set and not just a casino. This is how real progress is made. It's not overnight, but steadily. And steady action is much more powerful. Remember, crypto rewards movement with wisdom, not perfection. If you've been stuck in the learning mode, you need a simple place to begin. Grab my free crypto checklist. Go to cryptocullen.com, grab that checklist, or use the link in the description. And let's talk about starting with small moves. Checklist, DCA, learning, positioning. So, what should someone do if they're ready to stop waiting? Let me make this really practical. You don't need to overhaul your whole life here. You just need to start making some right moves in the right order. Here's a simple beginner path. First, start with the checklist. Why? Because beginners don't usually need more motivation. They need clarity. A checklist helps you reduce overwhelm. It gives you a path, helps you stop bouncing around from all this random advice out there. Gives you a basic structure of what matters first. And that's why I created the crypto checklist for beginners. Because most people don't need more noise. They need that no hype framework to get started. Second, small DCA. Not a huge one, small. Maybe it's weekly. Maybe it's bi-weekly or even monthly. The amount matters less than the habit. This step is very important because it moves you from an observer to an actual participant in crypto. Now, you're not just watching the market, you're learning how it actually feels. And that matters because when you have a small position, you've got some skin in the game, things change. It feels totally different. You begin to learn differently. You notice your emotions differently. And then third, number three, you keep learning while you are in motion. This is the sweet spot. Not learning with no action, not action with no learning, but learning while moving. And that means learn what moves the market cycles. Learn what Bitcoin dominance means. Learn why liquidity matters. Learn why and how emotions wreck portfolios. Learn why conviction matters more than hype. This is where understanding deepens. And number four, begin positioning, not gambling. This is another major mindset shift. You're not trying to become super rich off of one lucky move. You're positioning yourself over time. And that means building better habits, better awareness, better portfolio decisions, better patience, better timing. And that positioning compounds. A lot of people miss cycles, not because they didn't hear about crypto, but because they never built the habits needed to act when opportunity came. So if you want to be ready when the next move in the market is here, the answer is not panic. The answer is positioning, little by little, step by step, with clarity. That's how beginners become confident investors. If you're ready to get moving and start making that progress, make sure you grab the crypto checklist for beginners at cryptocallin.com or use the link down below. And if you found any value at all in this content, you know what to do. Smash the like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. If you're not yet subscribed, well, you know what to do. Click subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when the next video is out for you. And I got some more content, some more videos right about here in this playlist. I believe you're going to find some value over there as well. Head on over there. I'll be there and see you later. Bye for now.